What's going on, guys? Got the Trailblazer out today. Finally stretched his legs. Gonna be doing a little review and install on these new Boslla LED lights. Shout out to my sponsors, man. They hit me up a couple months ago. I've been meaning to do this, but they hit me up a couple months ago saying they had some lights they wanted me to try out, if they can send me a couple for the different vehicles. So I ended up getting one for the Blazer, the Super Sport. Gonna slap these on in a little bit, but yeah, these are the headlights, man. They got all different kinds. Let me show you the different styles that they do. They got the H1, H3s. They even have one online that's like a dual light. You can switch it from like 8K to like 6K, which is pretty cool. That option wasn't offered on the Blazer, or else I would have got that one. But yeah, they got all different kinds, man. So I'm about to get this grill off of here. Already unclipped it. Gonna get the headlights out. Gonna get these installed and you know, give y'all my review, let you know how they look. Again, I'll tag the sponsors. Appreciate you guys. I think her name was Summer. Appreciate you, Summer. She sent these out to me, to us. So yeah, let's get these installed, man. So I just took off the rubber grommet, getting the original headlight out. It's a 9006 style. Get the replacement. Again, appreciate you, Boslla, man. I'll be waiting for the one for the other vehicles. Here's the light. Looks pretty sweet. We're gonna see how they look, man. So you're just gonna put it in there and twist it in the original slots, and it looks like it's short enough to where the old rubber grommet will cover it back up, which is pretty nice, so there won't get no moisture in there. But let me see. I got the side in. Let's see how they look compared to the stocks. Let me see. Man, so that's pretty damn bright compared to the stocks. I've been meaning to do this. I've been wanting to buy these bulbs, but I'd be so damn busy. So man, they hit me up right at the perfect time with this. Appreciate y'all again, Boslla. Let's get this other one installed. So that's pretty much about it. Pretty easy plug and play to get these Trailblazer lights out. You just got to pop off this little tab, pull it up. Same one back there, pull it up, and bam. But yeah, I like them, man. I like that bright white. I've been meaning to do this. I got the fog light ones on the way. We'll be doing the fog lights as well. So let me get this thing put back together real quick. So just like that, clip these tabs in. Pretty easy. And that is about it, my guys. I'll close the hood, let you know how it looks. Give them a follow, hop online, order your LEDs, man. Hit them up. They're pretty reasonably priced. They get to you pretty fast. Again, shout out to Boslla. Shout out to Summer. Appreciate the headlights. I love them. I'll give you an updated review in a couple months, let you know how they work out. Alright guys, thank y'all for watching this video. Again, follow Boslla. I'm gonna tag them. Order some headlights, fog light bulbs. They carry just about for any vehicle. Once again, thank you.